Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to be showing you 4 different options of sequins that you can incorporate in your event. Definitely we have all of your themes or outlooks for your event covered with sequins. So starting off with the sequin table runner, I love this because they are very dainty, very small, and they lay on this really nice see-through background. So you will see shortly that if I put my hand underneath, you will see through. However, if you lay it on an actual table, the tablecloth color will show through just a touch. So if you're putting it on ivory, if you're putting on a fuchsia, it will show through. So what's great about this is if you step back, it does show like a full solid color that has a lot of beautiful shine, that elegance, just that top-notch look. I love these specific sequins. So moving on to our a little bit bigger, these are called our big Payette sequins here. And on this overlay, and these are considered quote-unquote extra large sequins. The reason why is because they're probably the size of a dime or a touch smaller. However, the reason I love this look as well is because it's got a little bit more of that sass, that party, like you are at an event where it is so clear that there's going to be fun to be had. That's what the vibe that I get from this one. So this has got that really free spirit, fun party look. It doesn't have that solidness as the first one, but it's got a lot more character when you're looking from far away as well. So moving on, if you want to get a little bit more of a pattern going on, you would probably go with these flowers and sequins. Obviously, if it's a baby shower or maybe a bridal shower. And what I like about this is if you have a smaller budget, this is a little tip here. Then you want to go with things that have more character on the actual table as far as this table runner goes. So you could put some maybe glass fixtures on here or things, you know, pieces or centerpieces that aren't as crazy and wild. The loudness of that table runner really complements a little bit more simplicity of whatever you put on it. Now, still continuing with our design, this is a little bit more simplistic. However, these organza with sequin circles do give a very fun pop of those sequins. We're working yet again with those really mini sequins. However, you've got a lot more see-throughness with this one. This has a background of organza, and I love this because it does have that touch of pattern there, but it's not too loud. So this is, once again, if you're working with a, you know, baby shower or maybe a fun birthday party and you have fixtures that have a little bit more character, this has a little bit of design, but it's not too much. So hopefully you guys enjoyed those 4 options of the sequins that we sell. You can check in the description below of these and so many other options of sequins that we have, whether it is overlays or they're table runners or tablecloths. We got sequins all over the place for you guys. So hopefully you enjoy this. Make sure you like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.